Hello everyone, let us discuss about introduction of tries. A trie is a tree-like information retrieval data structure whose nodes store the letters of an alphabet. It is also known as a digital tree, radix tree, or prefix tree. The trie data structure is used to store a set of keys represented as strings. It allows efficient storage and retrieval of keys, making it highly effective when handling large datasets. A trie supports important operations such as insertion, searching, deletion of keys, and prefix-based searches. Tries are needed. Tries are needed for efficient handling of large sets of strings. They provide faster searching when compared to linear data structures such as arrays and linked lists. Tries are ideal for prefix-based searching, such as autocomplete and dictionary applications. The performance of a trie depends on the length of the word, not on the size of the data stored. Types of tries. There are different types of tries used in data structures. The first type is the standard trie, also called the prefix trie. It stores words character by character, where each node represents a single character. Standard tries are commonly used for dictionary search and autocomplete applications. The second type is the compressed trie, also known as a radix trie or Patricia trie. It merges single-child paths into one edge, which helps in saving memory. Compressed tries are used when space optimization is required. The third type is the suffix trie. It stores all suffixes of a string and is useful for pattern matching and substring searching. Suffix tries provide faster searching but consume more memory. Structure of a trie. The structure of a trie is simple and hierarchical. Each node in a trie represents a single character. The root node is empty and does not store any character. Each edge in the trie represents a character transition from one node to another. A path from the root node to any node forms a prefix of a word. As shown in the diagram, different words share common prefixes, which allows the trie to store strings efficiently. Trie terminology. In trie terminology, the root is the starting node of the trie. A child node represents the next character in a word. An edge is the connection between two nodes in the trie. A prefix is a partial word formed by the path from the root to any node. An end-of-word marker indicates the completion of a word in the trie. These components together define the structure and functioning of a trie data structure. Differences between trees and tries. A tree is a general nonlinear hierarchical data structure, whereas a trie is a special type of tree used for storing strings. In trees, nodes can store any type of data, while in tries, nodes usually store characters of strings. In a tree, no fixed meaning is attached to its levels, but in a trie, each level represents a character position in a string. The searching time in a tree depends on the structure and height of the tree, whereas in a trie, the searching time depends only on the length of the word, which is O of L. Trees are used for general data representation, while tries are mainly used for prefix-based searching. Examples of trees include binary trees, binary search trees, and AVL trees. Examples of tries include prefix tries and dictionary tries. Finally, memory usage in trees is usually lower, whereas tries consume more memory due to multiple child pointers. Structure of trees and tries. This slide shows the structural difference between a tree and a trie. On the left side, we see a binary search tree, where each node stores a numeric value. The structure depends on ordering rules, and the levels do not have any fixed meaning. On the right side, we see a trie, also called a prefix tree. Here, each node represents a character of a word. Each level corresponds to a character position, and paths from the root form complete words or prefixes. Thus, trees are used for general data organization, while tries are specially designed for efficient string and prefix-based searching. Working of a trie. The working of a trie is based on characters and prefixes. Words are inserted into the trie character by character. Common prefixes of words share the same path, which helps in saving space. Each level in the trie represents a specific character position in a word. Leaf nodes or marked nodes indicate the completion of a word. Advantages and disadvantages of a trie. A trie has several advantages. It provides fast searching of strings. It supports efficient prefix matching, which is useful in applications like autocomplete. Unlike hashing, tries do not suffer from collisions. However, tries also have some disadvantages. They require high memory usage. A large number of pointers are needed at each node. Because of this, tries are not space efficient for small datasets. Applications of tries. Tries are widely used in many real-world applications. They are commonly used in dictionary implementations to store and search words efficiently. Tries are used in autocomplete systems to suggest words based on prefixes. They are also used in spell checkers to detect and correct spelling errors. Search engines use tries for fast lookup and query processing. Tries are used in IP routing to efficiently match network prefixes. They are also applied in text processing systems for indexing and pattern matching. Time complexity of a trie. The time complexity of trie operations depends on the length of the word. For insertion, the time complexity is O of L. Each character of the word is inserted level by level into the trie. For searching, the time complexity is also O of L. The characters of the word are compared one by one starting from the root node. For deletion, the time complexity is O of L. The word is traversed character by character, and unnecessary nodes are removed. For prefix search, the time complexity is again O of L. Searching a prefix depends only on the length of the prefix, not on the number of stored words. Space complexity of a trie. The space complexity of a trie is O of n into sigma. Here, n represents the total number of nodes in the trie. Sigma represents the size of the alphabet, for example, 26 for lowercase English letters. This space is required because each node in the trie maintains references for all possible characters in the alphabet. Conclusion. A trie is an efficient tree-based data structure used for storing and searching strings, especially when prefix operations are required. Its major strength lies in the fact that search, insertion, and deletion operations take O of L time, where L is the length of the word, independent of the number of stored strings. Tries provide fast and accurate prefix-based searching, making them ideal for applications such as autocomplete, spell checking, dictionaries, and search engines. However, this efficiency comes at the cost of high memory usage, as each node stores multiple child pointers. Despite the space overhead, tries are widely used in real-world applications where speed and prefix searching are critical, making them an important data structure in computer science.